Morning students, today I will tell you about the possessive case of noun. Examine the sentence. This is Ram's umbrella. Ram's umbrella means the umbrella belongs to Ram. The form of the noun Ram is changed to Ram's to show ownership or possession. The noun Rams is therefore said to be in possessive case. The possessive answers the question whose means whose umbrella? Ram's umbrella. The possessive case does not always denote possession. It is used to denote authorship, origin, kind, etc. also. Like Shakespeare's plays. So what can be the answer? The plays written by Shakespeare. A mother's love. The love felt by a mother. The president's speech. The speech delivered by the president. Mr. Agarwal's house. The house where Mr. Agarwal lives. Ashok's school. The school where Ashok goes. A children's playground. A playground for children. A week's holidays. A holiday which lasts a week. Now I will tell you the formation of possessive case. When the noun is in singular, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun, like the boy's book, the king's crown. Now the letter s is omitted in a few words where too many hissing sounds would comes together, like conscience sake, goodness sake, justice sake, Jesus sake. When the noun is plural and ends in s, the possessive case is formed by adding only apostrophe, like boys school, girls school, horses tails. When the noun is a plural but does not end in s, possessive sign is formed by adding s only, like men's club, a children's book. When a noun or a title consists of several words, the possessive sign is attached only to the last word, like the king of Bhutan's visit, the prime minister of India's speech. When two nouns are in opposition, the possessive sign is put to the later only, like Kareem and Salim's bakery, William and Mary's Reen. Each of the two or more connective nouns implying separate possession must take the possessive sign, like Raja Roy's and R.K. Narayan's novels, Goldsmith's and Cowper's poems. Now I will tell you the uses of possessive noun case. The possessive case is now used chiefly with the names of living things, like the governor's bodyguard, the lion's mane. So we must say the leg of the table, not the table's leg, because it is non-living thing. The cover of the book, not the book's cover. The roof of the house, not the house's roof. But the possessive is used with the names of personified object, like nature's law, India's heroes, fortune's favorite, a duty's call, and so on. Next, a possessive case is also used with noun denoting time, space and weight, like a day's march, a week's holiday, in a year's time, a stone's throw, a foot's length, a pound's weight. The following phrases are also in common use, like at his finger's end, for mercy's sake, to his heart's content, at his wit's end, a boat's crew. The possessive of a proper name or a noun denoting trade, profession or relationship may be used to denote a building or place of business, like she has gone to the baker's shop. Tonight I am dining at my uncle's house. Can you tell me the way to St. Paul's Church? In the same way, noun in opposition. When one noun follows another to describe it, the noun which follows it said to be noun opposition to the noun which comes before it. Like Ram, our captain, made 50 runs. Kabir the great reformer was a weaver. It is in opposition case, nominative case. Yesterday I met your uncle the doctor. It is accusative case. Have you ever seen Ganguly the artist drawing? It is in genitive case. Nominative because it is used as subject, accusative because it is used as an object. Thank you.